I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as...
Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in. It's Vlogmas Day 7 and I have a quick and easy revamp DIY. This is a thrift find that I actually found a couple of months ago. I've had this for a while. As you can see, I actually wrote on the chalkboard, reminded myself of the idea that I wanted to do for this particular DIY, because I didn't know exactly when I'll get around to doing it. So right now we're gonna just spruce up this thrift find and just enjoy it.
There is no way trying, you better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas.
If you're new here, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you are interested in videos like these, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video.
Such a charm, got you up in my arms.
My whole concept and theme for this DIY was to look like I had a nice front door wreath on this particular sign, and that's the actual look that I was trying to achieve. So pretty much I'm taking these little green greenery ties that you can get from Dollar Tree, and I'm using those to fill in the gap to achieve that look.
As much as I do, it's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas.
I couldn't get to my craft container, so I'm using the jute screen off of the pine cones in my pack of pine cones right there on the side. So I'm pretty much just improvising, and I'm going to use that jute screen to tie around the wreath and to attach the wreath to the chalkboard.
All around, all snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
All right, everybody, this is the finished product. It looks so good. I decided to add some cute red and green ribbon to my wreath, and I decided to add a reindeer to the chalkboard. So pretty much the reindeer is an ornament. I just hot glued a magnet to the back, and it's a magnet reindeer for the chalkboard for extra decor. It looks so good, it's stunning, it's so Christmas-like. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video.
You can feel it in the air that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling.